Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here in Saginaw, Michigan. That's right, Saginaw, Michigan. Because there's a few things I love in life. My wife. I had to say that for her because sometimes she watches my videos. My family, my friends, definitely love the Lord. I like going to new churches, and I like going to having new experiences. And one of the things I really like in life is going to car shows. So I want to show you this car show here. I can already see there's a ton of them here. It looks like there's maybe 200. So I'm going to show you the ones that I like, is maybe point out some different things that maybe you hadn't really thought about car shows, and maybe some of the cars that are here. In fact, like this little Opel coming by. Like that. So I'm going to show you some more unusual things. So stick along with this because you never know what you're going to see on my videos, let me tell you. So come along as I pause and take a breath from all that talking. Come along with us because you've just entered the Coolest Life Car Show Edition. I wanted to hear that exhaust. Always been a big fan of muscle cars. We'll get me one of these days. I actually really like that one. One, he's got the Krager mags on it. I love Kragers. I love Kragers. I've always been a huge fan of these mag wheels on these muscle cars. You can spot Kragers a mile away. Good looking GT, huh?
He looks pretty comfortable.
Well, that was my first wife, Johnny.
That's his first wife, he says. He says the body was actually made by a shop class. And he's like the third owner of it. So it's a Coffin. I'm surprised that Counts Customs out of Las Vegas hasn't made something like this. It is definitely a Coffin car. It is pretty sweet. Look, it's on a T-bucket frame.
You bet Elvira, didn't you, back there? Uh-huh. She's unforgettable, too.
Love these 65s. These are just beautiful cars. And I don't really like the body style in this Vet here, but I'm a chop window fan. Always have been. Sure, we'll see one later. This is in the 63. I should have noticed that. It seems like the here is a little different from the 65 to the 63. Sometimes you find them with side pipes. Who doesn't like the Thunderbirds? I mean, come on. They're just so cool. The iconic circle window in the back. This is actually a removable top, so you can go topless. I don't think it comes with a soft top. Maybe it does. Maybe it pops out or something, but it's cool looking. Look at the white walls. White walls is older cars always set them off, don't they? I love white walls. Those tires. It's beautiful. I haven't seen a Prowler in a while. There's typically I see them that are black. I guess I've seen yellow, red, but you don't see many Prowlers. Of course, made by Chrysler back in, I don't know, 04? I always liked them. I think they're cool. Anytime you can set your wheels outside of your frame like this, outside of your body, I've always thought that's cool. There's a nice T-bucket here. Hot rod. Look at the size of this back tire. They're just huge. I love this size. Yeah, definitely. Those tires are huge. It's like 3 tires put together in one. Look at that Camaro. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that color. That color is just wow. That color just pops. This video just does not do it justice, I assure you. 69 Camaro. It's got the restoration booklets. A lot of times you'll see these and they'll have them open to whatever page and how they found it originally, or sometimes they got the very original pictures of them. Does a good job cleaning it. Did a real good job cleaning it. That's awesome. Just so you can hear it. Hear the rumble? The GTO got the low rumble. Boom, 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 boom. You don't get that in a Tesla, I'm telling you. This, of course, is a 56, I believe it is. Chevrolet. This 56, 55, 57 is what people think of when they think of car shows. You think of this car right here, or one like it. So this would be the 55. Beautiful. The white walls just set it off. A little bit of customization. Boy, does it look pretty. Clean. Clean. It's got no air conditioner in there. I'll show you the inside. It's just beautiful. Such a good job restoring this one. And this is a 1953 Chevy stepside. He's chopped the top. Real smooth. Real smooth. A little more of a flat color to it, but I guess it's just a leather. This, of course, is your American Muscle 350 in it. Chevy Chevelle. Some of the Novas look a whole lot like them. They got the double stripe all across the top. Like it. It's good. And this one is a 37 Cavalier Graham, is what it's called. That's good. I love the horns on the front. Those look great. Smooth lines. That's what the inside looks like. It's definitely customized front inside. Good looking. Got your advertisements on it and everything. Oh, so sexy. Fender wells are so sexy. So there's an old Scout. How about that one, huh? Get the plastic doors. Roadkill. It's a good looking Scout. It's a 1977. Oh, that's cool. 77 Scout. Look at those stick shift knobs. Those are cool. Let's go down here and see what else we can find. Now this one here is set up for street racing. It is set up for street racing. Look at the slicks on the back. Oh, I guess we're slicks. They got some, look how wide they are. They got some tread on them though. They're not slicks. They've got his meat inside. We'll check that out. He's got a Ford logo. He's got his knives through his blades. Because that is a Camaro. It's a good-looking Camaro. And you can tell by the inside of this '68 Camaro that he is ready to race. I'm sure he's got a nitrous switch on it down there. And a stereo system. With that fin, definitely aftermarket. At least he made the color match. That's good. Cool. This is a 57 Nomad. You can always tell the 57s they're more of a slant here on these eyebrow covers here. I got over the lights, headlamps. The 55s are a little more curvy instead of more direct. 57s are a little more direct, a little sharper lines. I like the sliding glass back door. Never noticed those before. Check out the inside of this. Automatic. It's a good looking ride. Beautiful paint job. Almost got a green tint to it. It's like a deep blue, but it's got a little bit of a green hue to it. Really nice package. And right next to that in there is this big Chevy 3100. Look but don't touch. Lifted. See, that's pretty rare because normally they don't lift a lot of these trucks. Beautiful condition, huh? That extra bulge here for the aerodynamics of the step side. See here, you want more of that curve instead of the sharp lines. I did to the trucks too. There's one down there I'm trying to go see. What year this is? Probably like a 61 is my guess. Anyway, good looking truck. Diversity here. You got your Chevelle muscle. Okay, and nice. And then you got Corvette. This is the middle mid-engine Corvette. So this is the newer model. And you got this Oldsmobile. What? It's in good condition. I like it. Just such a great diversity. Look at that. There's a Monte Carlo SS from the 70s. It might be an 84. Monte Carlo SS, the Grand Prix. These were showstoppers. Big engine. This is an 87. I like it. Nice paint scheme. It's about the only paint scheme you could get in those, are black and red for that those kind of Monte Carlos that had the sport package. There you go. You know, these are my favorites. The early 30s Fords. Man, love them. Absolutely love them. Long, sexy lines. Even shaved off his door handles on this one. Like that touch, that exhaust. With one on each side. It's only has to $45,000. It can be yours. It's a 3-window coupe. Looking right. We got a lot of Chevelles, a lot of Novas out here. This is a Nova here, which of course, if you know the story of the Nova, it's Spanish means no go. So they didn't sell too well in Mexico. He's got the Kragers, love the Kragers. He's right next to a Roadrunner. I love the Roadrunners. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Looks pretty original in there. Good looking car. Show you some accents on this 56 Thunderbird. You notice he's got some accents down here. That looks pretty cool. It's a nice touch. The Thunderbird V8 looks good. You got some chrome accents up there. And I always like this about these. You see how there's no bar here. There's no bar going up between the front and the back seats. Those are always cool. Always cool. Almost looks like a convertible top, but it's not. All original inside. It's cool. Nice. Not a lot of those around. I'm just saying. I like the 57 Chevys. Those old Thunderbirds. Hard to find. I actually don't think I've seen one of these at a car show. Definitely an unusual one here. It's a 39 COE. Custom made bed. Get that custom bed. Yeah, they didn't make them like that at all. Step side. Get that shifter up there. Cab over. You don't find many cab overs of anything except for 18-wheelers. They don't make those anymore. Some of the vans, Volkswagen vans and stuff, are kind of a cab over. Where basically, they say cab over means you're steering and or sitting directly on top of the front wheels. Looks good though. Nice long bed. Wow, that's neat. Riders. This one here definitely got some hydraulics to it. Get those dish wheels. It's looking good. Exclusive car club. Look at the gold leaf accents in the paint. Look at the alligator skin throughout. You've got a nice depiction there. He's got a boombox under there. I've always enjoyed all the extra accents they put on these cars, like this Impala here. Check out that one. Loving memory. Hope that the music in the background is not killing me. If not, I'm going to have to delete this portion of it. Some people just don't understand that when you're trying to do videos and stuff, you can't have a whole lot of background music. It's like an original interior though. Nice. Just see this Impala. It's cool. Look at all the accents in the engine. Dude likes some chrome, don't he? A lot of times you'll see a painting up there, but he's got mirrors up there, which is cool. Check it out. Got a voltmeter on his battery. 12.4, it's good. We're sitting here like this. Loving memory. Like the accents of the lights. You got it setting low. You know he's got some hydraulics in it. It sets that low. Fuel injections. What it says. It says it's 63. I love the accents, the extra inside the door handles. There's hydraulic buttons there at the bottom. That's awesome. That's a nice. It is a nice setup here. Really cool.
You're absolutely right.
Can you hear that one? From a mile away. Can you hear it? You can just a little bit, huh? How throaty. So deep. Yeah, that's pretty deep in it. First walked up, I said 52. Nope, it's a 51. I like that paint job though. The paint job just sets it off, doesn't it? Isn't that nice? That's the classic flame. Now they make it like a ghost flame. It actually looks maybe a little better, but that's just classic flame style right there. Love it. Good stuff. He's got a VHS in the back. It's awesome. Well, that was a cool car show. I really enjoyed it. I like that they had a good variety. I was a little disappointed in the 30s being represented. I think they had 3. And I like the big fenders, 30s, the wagons of the Fords, but 33, 32, 34s. But didn't see many of them. They did have a lot more muscle cars here than I thought they would, and a lot of newer cars. I didn't show you a ton of newer cars, but they did definitely had some Mustangs and some Corvettes. Like I said, they did show you the Corvette, but a lot of really good cars. I really enjoy car shows. It's a really good family atmosphere that they have here. And this one here, as surprising to me, wasn't a whole lot of loud music, which is great for videoing, because if they have a whole lot of loud music, it goes in the background, and then I get monetized for it through Facebook. YouTube. But really good car show. I enjoyed it. Good for a stop, kill an hour. Now it's time for me to go get some lunch. But I won't let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm just out here living the coolest life. Car show edition.